Miller Industries is the world's largest manufacturer of towing and recovery equipment. Towing and recovery equipment goes from light duty to heavy duty equipment. If you want to put that in perspective, a small tow truck that might come in, do a repossession, quickly take a car away, and then the heavy duty equipment is something you might see on the side of the road that would clear an accident with an 18-wheeler. Being on the cutting edge of technology is one of the things that we pride ourselves on. Partnering with Infor has definitely put us where we feel it is at the front of the pack. We now are utilizing Cloud Suite Automotive. So with additional functionality in the cloud version, we had to take a close look at that. And by using Infor GRC product, we were able to feel confident that we were going into a new system with access restricted where it needed to be, but also allowing users to do what they needed to do on a day-to-day basis. So the Infor GRC product definitely simplifies the manual processes that we had in place before. There's out-of-the-box reporting, out-of-the-box monitoring. It's a solution that can quickly provide some insight to allow us to mitigate any issues that might be brought to our attention.
Without GRC, we had to go in and basically do a negative test, which means you see if someone can get to something, and that's what our team would spend time doing. Every time someone was added, changed positions, we had to look at each person and each role to see what they needed or didn't need, and then validate that with our annual audit as well. So it was a constant process, not just a one-time a year. With Infor GRC Authorization Insight, our annual audit, we can give them with confidence the reports and the mitigation process that we went through. They're able to see that we have reviewed the information and have no segregation of duty issues. What that did is that they no longer came in and wanted to do negative testing, which is why the time and energy, both internal and external, went down. So the Infor GRC certification manager is another level. So now this involves the supervisors and the frontline managers verifying that their people have the correct information. We did not have a tool to do 100% review of everyone's roles and accesses with every manager. So certification manager is kicked off with the idea that we can review all managers 100%. We can see all of the managers, who's done it, who hasn't. It sends reminders automatically out for any managers that have not. Once all of those are finished, then the CIO gets the information, reviews and signs off on it, and we give that to the external auditors. As a director of accounting, Infor GRC has changed what I do day to day. There are multiple dashboards depending on the process to review. The what-if analysis gives an aspect that we didn't have to see what else needs to be done if we should do it. So it answers a lot of questions that we would have in a span of 5 to 10 minutes rather than hours of gathering the information and trying to find people to make corrections.
Infor GRC has definitely made it more efficient to do our monitoring of access and controls. It's decreased the cost and given our executive team assurance that the oversight is in place. Miller Industries partnered with New River Systems and Infor to do the implementation of GRC. And one of the things that we definitely appreciate through that relationship is that there was a focus on transferring the knowledge to our team so that as we moved forward with the product and increased functionality in the future, that we were able to maintain the systems ourselves. And I think it sets us up for many years to come.